Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best infant car seat covers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Cozy Cover Infant Car Cozy and Warm Seat Cover, Pink Quilt. When you are traveling with your child, you need to make sure they feel contented and comfortable regardless of the weather. The cozy cover will insulate your child from wind, rain, ice, and snow as it is weather resistant. In addition, it has an elasticized edge design and you need to stretch and place it in just seconds. On account of that, it will keep your baby warm and cozy in your car. The cover has a dual zipper design and this will enable you to have easy access on your baby, getting them in and out easily. Moreover, the cover is machine washable and breathable, protecting the baby from all unfavorable weather conditions. Moving on at number 4, we have the J.J. Cole Weather-Resistant Blanket Car Seat Cover. This all-weather and insulated cover from J.J. Cole is another great option, parent-approved car seat covers. Comes with multiple styles with distinct patterns and colors, allowing you to choose the one that you find perfect you. Certainly, this cover is made of weather-resistant nylon that usually deflects light rain and wind. It is equally important to note that the cover fits onto standard-sized strollers and infant carriers as it has elasticized outer band. Ideally, the cover has blanket-style design and soft fleece to keep the cold out. Therefore, this cover will protect your kid from cold temperatures, giving him or her great warmth. At number 3, we have the YOFOSS Nursing Baby Car Seat Cover Breastfeeding Scarf Covers. Made of rayon blend, the YOFOSS Baby Car Seat Cover is quite trendy and stylish. It's a multi-use cover that you can use it as a stroller cover, light blanket, infinity scarf, high chair cover, shopping cart cover, and nursing breastfeeding. Certainly, this cover is breathable and will protect the baby from the summer heat, sunlight, wind, and breezes while maintaining privacy. Come with a stretchy opening at the top and this will allow fresh air in and will also enable the mother to access or see the baby when nursing or breastfeeding. It's a unisex scarf covers that will keep the child free from bacteria, mosquitoes, pollen, keeping the baby safe. At number 2, we have the AMAZLINEN Stretchy Boys Girls Baby Car Seat Covers. This multi-use car seat canopy is likewise a shopping cart cover, infinity scarf and nursing cover. It will offer complete protection to your baby from winter snow, bright lights, germs, drizzle, and winds. Eventually, the cover will create an ultra-soft and quiet environment for your child and they will nap comfortably during outings. Besides, you can adjust zippers order to modify temperature, visibility, ventilation, and light. You can fold the cover into a compact square for easy storage. The 4 snaps and stretch fabric makes the cover to fit in most baby car seats securely and cannot be easily blown by the extreme wind. And finally at number 1, we have the Gufix Nursing Cover Scarf Breastfeeding Cover for Girls and Boys. This is a versatile cover that can be utilized as a baby car seat cover, a shopping cart cover, and a nursing cover. Constructed with stylish heart fabric that will protect your kid from germs, bright light, snow, dust, wind, and even unwanted onlookers. What's more, this soft cover will bring ultimate comfort and luxury to your baby. It's also reliable, lightweight, compact, and resistant. This versatile and multi-use cover will offer true 360 degrees coverage for great nursing wherever you are. Above all, the 4-way stretch will provide a custom fit onto most models of car seat and high chairs. For this reason, you can compact fold the cover to take less space for storage. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.